It's a lot of oil.
Yeah, beans have to have a lot of oil. It's Cameroon green.
Cameroons and oil. It's like a human and a heart. Mix. And that much. Food is ready.
Woohoo!
I really want beans.
Okay, I'm gonna dish it in here. Start with
Careful, Nina, you don't need to make a mess, okay? What is inside the beans?
got some kanda.
You guys are not getting any kanda when I'm done with this one.
Okay.
Put the... Yeah.
So yeah, there's meat, kanda, beans, onions,
Hey, I forgot.
green onions, cowtail,
Okay.
and what else?
Kevin, you're going to try kanda?
Of course. Oh, that entire bowl sounds so tasty.
Looks.
One of his favorite food is beans.
I really, really like beans.
I wish you could eat this with pork though. Feast your eyes upon this.
Kevin, you just burped.
Yep. You want me to fart too?
Oh,
That's so bad.
Audacity.
I did it, okay?
I didn't fart. I said I could fart. Hello guys, this is the first time my mom has properly made beans and kanda.
Properly.
Yeah, since like time immemorial, since I've lived so long now
Yeah.
apparently. According to her, but I'm gonna try beans and kanda properly.
You're going to eat beans, but then you're going to try the kanda. It's very hot.
Oh, imagine puff puff with this. It's not hard to make either. You should check out our videos on it. Funny is that every single time our mother makes beans, we finish 30% of the beans before the rice is finished.
Yeah.
30%, guys.
Maybe I should start cooking the rice first.
Maybe you should, because it's hard to eat a lot of rice. It's easy to eat a lot of beans. And that's enough for me.
Okay.
Let's find some kanda. There it is.
Okay. Cheers.
Oi, it's going to burn you. Use a fork so they can see it, Kevin.
Always like kanda. Always like kanda. And it's even better when it's in beans. But imagine some puff puff with this. That would be the dream combination.
This is fire.
Literally, it's very hot.
Oh, I don't think it is. Hello.
Oh my god! She said it's fire as in good.
I know.
Take one kanda with a fork and show them so they can see the texture on. We also have takeout in that food.
Cowtail.
Takeout.
Take out.
They make it at my work yesterday, but I saw that they remove it all from the bone. Aha, there you have kanda. Hot, smoky.
It's stomach lining. Hot, delicious, smoking stomach lining. Kanda.
Stomach lining.
I have to breathe on it before I eat it. I don't want to burn my mouth.
Going to boil your mouth. I think you should put it down first and eat it. Hey!
Didn't even take a bite.
Oh,
Oh, I was looking for the cowtail. You have it.
it's burning him.
No, just...
But there is more cowtail inside there, Nina.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some.
It wasn't burning me, guys. It was just very... Kanda is chewy by nature, but it's good. It's very good. Ma, do you know if it's healthy or anything?
What for is not unhealthy.
Okay, I'm.
That's takeout now. What are you looking
This
for?
is huge though.
Just take it.
I'll take this one.
If you don't eat it all.
I always have two people who eat. These beans are actually really good.
No, they're very good. Like, no acting, it's very good.